Beginner's Guide to a Strong and Healthy Life. Starting your journey toward a strong and healthy life can feel challenging, especially if you are new to fitness. However, with the right approach and simple steps, anyone can build a healthy routine and improve their overall well-being. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and gradually build better habits. The first step for beginners is to focus on simple exercises. You don't need advanced workouts or heavy equipment to get started. Basic movements like walking, jogging, stretching, squats, push-ups, and light exercises are enough to activate your body and improve fitness. These exercises help build strength, improve flexibility, and increase energy levels. Creating a routine is very important. Try to set a specific time each day for your workouts so it becomes a regular habit. Even 20 to 30 minutes of daily exercise can bring noticeable improvements. Consistency matters more than intensity, especially in the beginning. It's also important to listen to your body. As a beginner, you may feel soreness or fatigue, which is normal. However, avoid pushing yourself too hard too quickly. Take rest when needed and allow your body to recover properly. A balanced fitness routine should include cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Cardio activities like walking or cycling improve heart health, strength training builds